This crypto project has just been hacked and funds drained, plus analysts now suggest that Ethereum could reach $2,500 in November. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz, in collaboration with Engine Starter, brings you an exclusive giveaway. Now get a free 1-month Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership that includes buy and sell calls, portfolio updates, airdrops, and IDO strategies, as well as new gems and Q&As. If you're an Engine Starter staker, hurry up, sign up, and get your cash back with the link in the description below. Crypto exchange traded products, or ETPs, saw their largest weekly inflows in more than a year, according to an October 30th report from asset management platform CoinShares. Inflows were $326 million for the week, ending October 27th, dwarfing the $66 million recorded over the previous weeks. ETPs are investment funds whose notes or shares are designed to track the price of a particular asset. In the case of crypto ETPs, they usually track the price of larger market cap cryptos, such as Bitcoin or Ether. Some investors prefer to get exposure to crypto prices through funds rather than holding the assets themselves, as shares of these funds can be held in traditional brokerage accounts. CoinShares said despite the sharp increase in inflows, this week represented only the 21st largest increase ever recorded. The largest weekly inflows last week went into Bitcoin ETPs, which represented 90% of the total. Solana's Sol also benefited from the optimistic spirit pervading in the market, as it saw $24 million in inflows. However, Ether funds went in the opposite direction, suffering $6 million worth of outflows. Billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller praised Bitcoin for establishing a brand over the past decade and a half, admitting that while he doesn't own any Bitcoin, he really should. The billionaire shared his latest thoughts on Bitcoin in an October 30th interview with hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones, where he made comparisons between Bitcoin and gold as a store of value, saying this. However, Druckenmiller previously held Bitcoin. In a September 2022 interview, he revealed that he had sold it in light of central banks imposing tightening measures. He did, however, say that the digital asset sector would flourish in the event that people lose faith in the central banking system, making an example of the Bank of England after the British pound plummeted in mid-2022, saying, "I could see cryptocurrency having a big role in a renaissance because people aren't just going to trust the central banks." He also praised blockchain technology, predicting that a ledger-based system could replace the United States dollar as the world's reserve currency in the future. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see what altcoins he's trading now. Ethereum's price has consolidated around the $1,700 to $1,800 range over the past week. On-chain analysis pinpoints the key metrics that show how large investors could propel ETH's price towards $2,500 in November. Amid last week's crypto market rally, Bitcoin raced to a new 2023 peak of $35,300, leaving Ethereum in its wake. Regarding monthly performances, Bitcoin is up 30% from September 30th, compared to Ethereum's modest gains of 8%. However, on-chain data trends show that large institutional investors are betting on the performance scoreboard to flip in Ethereum's favor in November. According to Into the Block, Ethereum registered a whopping 5,700 large transactions on October 24th. Notably, the ETH large transaction count has remained above 1,500 in each of the consecutive days that have followed. This steady increase in the number of large ETH transactions is a strong bullish signal that announces the heavy presence of deep-pocketed corporate investors within the Ethereum markets. The timing also shows that the large investors have been actively involved since the rally began in mid-October. If the whales continue supplying much-needed market liquidity, ETH could be among the biggest gainers during the next upswing. The global in and out of money around the price data, which groups ETH holders according to their entry prices, also confirms that bullish narrative. It shows that the $2,100 sell wall is the major obstacle for Ethereum's price on the road to $2,500. As shown in the chart, 9.1 million addresses had bought 38.84 million ETH at the average price of $2,100. Considering that this is close to the current yearly peak, the resistance could trigger a pullback. But if the bullish whales intensify the buying pressure, ETH price could break towards $2,500. An altcoin from the artificial intelligence sector of digital assets has outperformed most of the crypto market over the last week as the project readies new updates. Fetch AI is a blockchain that aims to use AI to help automate certain tasks in various business sectors. According to crypto insights firm Masari, their platform allows users to build, deploy, and connect smart agents for automating Web3 systems and transforming business models. Through their technology, users can create open services using automation and AI in various sectors, such as supply chain, finance, travel, and predictions. The Fetch network aims to reinvent the way we live and work by enabling agents to learn, predict, and undertake meaningful tasks in the real world. At the time of writing, FET is up 69% in the past 7 days, and at one point was up 72% after it rallied from 22 cents all the way to 38 cents. FET's price action comes as Fetch AI gears up to release its new Delta V technology, a large language model-based chatbot for performing tasks. According to Fetch AI, Delta V is a new search-based AI chat interface powered by Fetch AI's innovative AI agent technology. It leverages natural language conversations to enable to automatically handle end-to-end tasks for the users, positioning Delta V as a frontrunner in the AI economy. They said the introduction of Delta V marks the next phase of our mission to revolutionize commerce. By enabling a direct engagement between businesses and customers for tasks like booking transportation, travel arrangements, cleaning agents, and more, Fetch AI promises to transform the current aggregator-dependent landscape and deliver the next generation of seamless AI-powered commerce that consumers expect today. On October 31st, blockchain data firm PeckShield pointed out some weird things happening with the popular unibot trading platform. Initial reports have indicated that an exploited contract could be at fault. Telegram trading bots are one of the favorite narratives this year. However, community members are concerned with the frequent exploit incidents. The unibot team confirmed that a token approval exploit on its router was at the root of the problem. The team has since paused the router to mitigate any further damage. The unibot team also promised that any funds lost due to the bug on our new router will be compensated. Your keys and wallets are safe. After conducting the attack, the hackers converted the funds of 355 ETH worth about $640,000. Then the hackers transferred the funds to the crypto mixer Tornado Cash to avoid traceability. The price of the native Unibot token has fallen 30% in the meantime as details continue to emerge. Last week, another crypto trading bot Maestro became the target of a similar attack. Hackers exploited a bug in the Maestro smart contract and stole around 280 ETH. Due to the frequent attacks, the community has criticized the concept of Telegram trading bots. So why has the market risen in the last few days? Historically, October has proven to be a robust period for Bitcoin, earning the title Uptober, which still holds true this year. Last week, Bitcoin surpassed the $35,000 threshold, achieving its highest value since early May 2022. Presently, Bitcoin has stabilized around $34,000. The price surge, up by 27% this month, is believed to be fueled by optimism surrounding spot ETFs and an escalating demand for a safe haven asset. The growing number of Bitcoin spot ETF applications has heightened the interest of whales and institutional investors. The surge in institutional activity witnessed recently may serve as a precursor to what lies ahead in 2024, hinting at a potentially transformative period for Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency landscape. Anticipation is high for the SEC's expected approval of several spot ETFs early next year, with analysts predicting a $42,000 price point and beyond. Additionally, the increase in America's military budget, driven by escalating global conflicts, such as the one between Israel and Hamas, may lead to higher government borrowing. In such circumstances, if investors doubt the safety of long-term U.S. Treasury bonds, they may turn to alternative assets like gold and notably Bitcoin. This potential global wartime inflation could trigger a significant bull run. Looking ahead, Bitcoin, often dubbed as digital gold, is poised for a fourth mining reward halving in April next year, and historical patterns suggest that reward halvings precede major bull runs in the crypto market. While the journey may have its ups and downs, the overall trajectory of the industry appears upward rather than sideways or downwards. So when the market undergoes corrections, it may be a strategic move to make sure your spot bags are packed. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Rose Buffington. Thanks for watching.